everyone. So as I said, there will be a twist for the new year. I'm gonna make margarita mix here. Alright, so for the new year, something new, something different. Let me tell you what I'm gonna do. I have silver tequila. If you see, it's a silver. I'm just taking small, just making for my husband and my brother. That's also, we'll be making it like that. Okay, so 4 ounces of tequila. You can eyeball it if you have that. I cannot eyeball the alcohols, so I'm gonna take and measure it. And I've taken a lime and already squeezed it, so it's like already squeezed. It makes it easy to do everything. I knew I had to do this today, so I've already squeezed it. And 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lime. There we go. And the Cointreau. Usually I take 1 ounce if my husband is drinking and all, but because we are there, my brother is here, so I'm going to take 2 ounce. This adds a lot of flavor to it, and it's good for me. For our margaritas, we like little bit sweet we like. So I'm going to take the agave. It's just 1 ounce I'm going to take, and I'm going to add this. This adds the sweetness to it. It doesn't have that, the tanginess that usually margaritas have. So I'm going to, and you can find everything in your stores, liquor stores these days. Very easy to find. And I'm going to take some ice. Here we go. You see the ice is cubes. It makes it easy for blending it. So I've taken some. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some mint into it. I know it's not the traditional way, but I like a little bit mint into my margarita. I'm just going to do that and add it. And now the most important part. There we go. Ooh, you'll have to do that for all the things to get mixed. And it's very easy, it's just cool exercise. One thing that I want to also let you know is, a lot of people like their margarita with a little salt on the rim. So what we can do is, just take a lime and just rub it around like this. Alright? If you don't like, that's fine too. You can just directly drink. But if you add this, it gives a flavor. And just roll it. If you see, just roll it in the salt like this. Very easy. It adds up a lot of flavor. I've added Himalayan pink salt. You can add any salt, whatever salt you have. See how beautiful that looks. I'm gonna do it for the next one also. And in the meantime, we will. There we go. Here we go. See how beautiful that looks. See how beautiful that looks. So, and that's done. Just keep it on the side. The most easy way of doing this. And now it's time to, if this opens, it's become cold. Oh. We'll take a break there. Alright, at last it's opened for me. So there is already a filter here. And we will add. There we go. It's going to be amazing because this is not the first time I'm making it. I've usually made this many times. And adding a little tropical twist, just drop in the umbrellas and 1 ice. I have some olive also. If you want, you can. If not, the best way to use olive is to eat it. Here we go. I'm going to call my husband and my brother, and they are going to do cheers and drink it. So here we go. Mint to add to the decoration, the flavor and everything. Happy New Year, guys. I really love doing these things for the family. Small things add up a long way. And so we're gonna do cheers. I'm gonna just do cheers with my coconut, and I'm gonna call my brother and my husband. They are actually gonna do the cheers for this. Come on in, guys, come on in. So here we go. This is my husband, my sweet husband, and my wonderful brother. And cheers! Happy New Year, guys. I hope 2021 brings a lot of health, happiness and luck for everyone. Enjoy and take care, guys. And
pretty good. It's really pretty good. Superb. Delicious. It came out really good.
Alright. So there you go.
Especially the salt around it. Superb. Tip it up.
Thank you. So the family approves it and it's all done.